Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TV GH so what friend me Addo searching
16 Suku for Ankwala Omuko school and our Pombesa Kofi and Soto. Oh, bridge no more cross no a blogum. Oh, a petri ba kwa kutomi ensuafano na ye news no be akwaja no report na ye tene da bia
so wase full school na okoto mu
pelele nsuyi da bia na yiri na sen kofo niema na afa obi ko na obi afama wu obi ba wa chem na wo no abosome nkono na de ne ko yenim dia akwara na obeye
bio na kaswasa
na no ye se ayi ba bia ma mebi ne kuru na busuafo omotika taxi bi mu a ensuo yi omokro so a efa omunyina yi emsese oda ho ase oda na ayi bosontwi area ho ba bi
okay matimi refi
sa bridge na yaye otase chese
be kwai babosontwi no
bebrebe sweet gardens ya Sweet Gardens here, friend gardens. Ode fro akọ trasker no.
Na yiji ho nyina.
Ho yiri kakraka na can't me ma.
Ajoso.
TUC Junction.
We feel ajoso ko bosontwe no so.
TUC Junction. Ajoso bosontwe honom. There were notable places enso pete kra ho be yiri.
Makro.
Na enyiri keke o. Eyiri di boni edi awu.
Ebu akwa makro.
Ese o man for pade agogo eboko mako to agogo in between dwahe me kai say eboko mako ani abakumadi
ani edwafo
enso to a ehotimi yiri ama edu edan no window level no na wonim say me refinity no ye regional deputy NADMO director not Abakumedi area ho and this is time I think 2015 or 14 so on NADMO disaster management and so to yiri roro nkofo fie na adan ba 20 or 25 ewo Abakumedi ho ho yiri ya ma unim se ensuo no edreni kono na wo nyina awrani fie NADMO me say no oye either regional director or deputy NADMO me refinity these were some of the experiences and your film okrumanum do you know why and ensuo to amenka se ensuo to Asanteman especially the greater Kumasi na baby nyiri there are flood kakabe hunu but entimi mfa how ananke nemu no to that extent na emma it has been reduced mitigated this is what the former regional minister did Okoi eko make a case at the Ministry of Works and Housing and the local government. There was a time cabinet opushia momo ya discussion honum. There were major bridges. Na atafua ohima say. Do you know the number of people are ewo? And so here, and so to the hoyira. Ka ma. The one be didwa apepesika kakra ene ne ma ne yere ne kunu eri akohwe wo ho no ontumi ma adwuma ontumi didwa the ono nso so every ye band money this side na eko akodi dwuma de bi teacher fo mu kwacha de nurse fo mu kwacha ho omuso ntumi nko
sada na edwafo ti o so to awaka kurom ntumi nko
omuso ntumi nko na ayende aside that yes obi to bicycle so what tries or cross it na atwe no
de no ko
enipa ewuo no between 2012 and 2016 17 kwa kakra nipa ewu ewo ho no no
nyasam twetwa
asori bi ehye wanya nsuo na nketu no na omo so wa katache free fast so for katache free fast sorry. And then what the former regional minister did was that one, making a strong case say these areas no bridges no I was here
Yeah.
Enti Friends Gardens there ye but bridge na ankasa na gata ne muchoku na mansuo ho flade kese no ye bridge na wi ekwan na enye enti no problem no has been reduced. Ohima say atafo de die unam ho abeka so unam moto we so.
Yes.
Come on. Ofa Armagaja Nshi ayi Ahinsa Estate. The Bank of Ghana for you no. Wona ensuo ntimi yira ensuo yiri ho afa na ntwe miensa da. Ensuo a adwuma fa na ntwe miensa ate nye na ntwe ba o. Na ntwe maame na ntwe papa. Na ntwe papa.
Omo abeben.
Me kai pa say my days at Fox FM and Seba FM. Ono bana na ya redu.
Hey, wa be hu na mane.
Wa bon one matches wa kan one sama ka and a Bank of Ghana for Yadaroma. Omu yes akwan na enei say o kwota kekra na campus kwa na ekwa. You don't have to go through Oforukrom traffic light na say akofa take junction. Udu we ya ofa NY so o fry wo so for ya Magaja nshi ure ma ure eche akofa Bank of Ghana for sa we ma you akofa take second gate on awokro no. And so after bridges ni na omo ye no the now regional minister say every month a month before the rain season no now was share MMDAs no Metropolitan Municipal and Assemblies no oma drille at the center flood prone areas ni na but you ain't been your bridges no matter take at ni na mu intention no to a free flow it metre eko
subi he ya akora
enyi yiri otiase ena oye ne sa problem no baby na aye dey kakra ye adum emfimfiri boss fm ne we hono no ene baby akeke kakra baby kakra bi badodo na pelele aboabo drink kakra kai yete ho nsem bebrebe first no airport on about say we free mention about airport on about before so be do total filling station no right ekire ho
filling station filling station ho nyina
what hono mu nyina jo for ekire ho but regional minister through this effort no kakaka me kai say maybe 2017 kensuo ko twemagura na me free Bokrom sit and eba nsuo to kesi bi nti wo ba before say ube sane abedu CCC ho no ehonum so pa na nsuo to a eho say muntimi nko and it will take an hour or two and sana nsuo nti nyina ati matwe and sana mo amoko ne mo amoba nyina motima meki enti ye de asudie no se de baby show bi nsa enye ne me bata hu no minye ye wo bai me friend wo fai me shia na me chia no wo jeso otimi bo mi di woni me na sa na ma no. There is a work, a job to be done. A job to be done. Enti munyai fanfare no eni siri hehe na mo bonu okroma na na to say petty issues na ye dey entice mo no. Somebody somewhere has done something as saving lives. These are appreciable efforts. And yes, and they Obetimaka former regional minister na kokunya na wanhani fine, but we jabi bia to ho. Anti-flood task force is still we are not experiencing same in Asanteman because somebody worked on it. Na aban yi them say if we do a ZNet because Charlie okay can man boom
certain some kwa
na yenhwe the this week and next week no tew Nagrat Nat ne other teacher unions so no womu ebehwe na isi eni anam mranchere maba we na NDC for atrikium because na menim say unemployment there enka ye metra hanka ho asem biu because almost say one job
nipa miensa
adwuma ba akono nipa miensa ene beye enti sebe abefo kra nke benya bi aka ho e okrum hanom
nka sports you kra benya abefo sports
nka hook up fo nyina omo bedoso nipa beye bedoso adwuma bia no ye be double as ye be triple no nanso so no ene osoafo no hwe apadie ene adwuma ensem so no ka che say abayin tibi nya sa ade no to na about 144,000 backlog teachers and nurses ne guo no so abayin so ofom nyina atua moka what the 47% of government revenue ene be hwemo eno che say omunye
bahama dada ya
enti wa wentie Jena Dr. Baumieka na utie the NDC for Okano Chena Beche Badenka ho Nyamia nkuya you have an opportunity to take another decision on Dr. Baumia, and I know say it will be Dr. Baumia on the ballot on the ticket of the New Patriotic Party once again.
Inshallah.
You have another opportunity to correct the wrong decision you took 2024. Dr. Baumia kache senka obema Ghana from rent and mabawa mabuna tana Ghana. No mu ye adwuma adwumakuo bi wo Europe, US, Asia.
Now $G ne pounds ne bi
because all the digital skills in the air bro.
Okay.
Nenia ma omo gina asanye no sa fe de omo confirm
It is to kwanya to ticket. O person say ticket na person ye bibia. Omo a British Airways unu omo kasa no. Be be India o. Oh. Omo respond customer service ni ade no. Bebre titi India. Ano ye mama British Airways. Multinational companies no. Bebre workers are ye engage you customer service ni ade no online email ni ade no respond to no. Wo mo nti be de adwuma no no.
Ebio.
Enti okwa abroche na ade ba kwa wotate pa ne se ono obi din komo na say and then one call me say I'm working from home. Adwuma na oye no e computer internet so e no oye adwuma no
ukuta no phone kura no de ye
aha enti ebia wa wo foforo ni maternity leave atwam barakwara na yare bibi nti ontimi nkwa adwuma na ade especially covid buy no dodo na o madwuma no eni ehia dia say enye so required of their physical presence no mo titifie na ye adwuma
No so.
but they were able to do whatever they were supposed to do to the office now.
No GDP come on.
And no need the Dr. Baumia can wasem. Say oh amanonia there is a need for some Akuffo baby to go be training about 1 million Ghanaian youth.
Wow.
Digital skills. It matter so kwa. Now we hear your mama company be one and you'll be paid in dollars, you'll be paid in euro, you'll be paid in pounds.
The memo mati ase akra ye ne said you must twa bet no.
Enti no, ade ba akoso say enke beyi asudie afiri abanza aban na wose wo pe adwuma ma maburu no. Wa ma won tete no. Wa ma wo the skill.
Anu abie kwa no so ama wo.
Tinye Ghana nkoa nyumakuo wa na be ma odwuma.
Obetime adwuma kura bebere wa bra.
Of course.
O show them.
Of course. Ye ntie we ene ese be ma ye nkokon nkete.
Otoko bekumba.
Nkokon nso ama.
Ye the 24-hour economy by betima ton wa cha anadwo.
Hirabasa.
Ntreke se nko.
Wa da fo betima ye adwuma anadwo.
Ntreke se nko a.
Ena ye tie eno.
Yes, light bill, no, you have a man for a fair year to me.
The waffle so never.
It is handsome way in any Akotoba, Ediama, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Send Trekesi.
With the hope that the year 2012 to 2016, no, and Society Ebeba. Because I believe that everybody, whatever happens around us, needs a second chance.
Oh, yes. I want you.
I was so confident, so sure, say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was better than JM. But Ghana for 12 man, you know. Then I also renewed my hope that Ebia Obe, you know.
Obajini Diako.
Nesu so abosome nkui. Ache say.
Tepi.
And it so.
Anyhow.
En nyame. We dey so we dey. Enye edira so le nyame.
Because we dey nwanwa.
Enti akwa mutimi ndisi fotimi fa so da Ghana for di adwene di agro no. Na enema ACC Esan NPP aban ni tiri no. You still want to blame our electoral loss on Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Say onunkuto nti. In any case, onunkuwa they said the NDC for the car fan no maka me ehunu. They say lebe bi no mbeka. And for be.
Asam dada.
And so if you want to plan or strategize well, you know what to do to counter anyama omoye no.
And no Ghana for who says say na yentro.
If it is to be a different person,
you
know what they are coming to say or do.
Tradition to mum.
I'm say Bible mum say the king is naked. Names are referred to another Akuffo abayin.